how to create text mask in Wix Studio. In order to create those, what we can do is we can click onto this plus icon into our left sidebar. Now from in this, we should be able to see in here all of the elements that we have available. For this case, click onto this text option and then click onto this text mask. And then in here, just choosing here the mask that you want to use. For example, for this case, I'll head over and then choose in here this particular mask that we have, which is the Explore mask. So just drag it wherever you want to put it into your actual page. Now in here, it should be able to be added. If you want to edit the text, click onto this change text option. And for example, let's change it to subscribe. Now, as you can see, it has been changed, and you can also edit it using the inspector right here if you want to add some animations, if you want to increase its height, as well as a lot more things. So that's how you create text mask in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.